Alright, in my never-ending quest for more Cowbell, I got another Zippo, and let's take a quick look at it. Okay, now this one came in the regular cardboard Zippo box, but there is something just a little bit more collectible about it than normally, and it's a Mazzi, and it's called the Winter Scene. And you can see that it is a couple of wolves in winter. And there's the Mazzi signature right there. And it is a semi-collectible box with that Mazzi signature on it. So it comes on a high polished chrome body. It's got a real good sound. It was made in J of 13. Pretty nice addition to my Zippo collection. The White Wolves by Mazzi. And that definitely deserves a little bit more Cowbell. Knuckle bump.